Unlock your business potential with System.io. Discover how to effortlessly create stunning sales funnels, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your revenue all in one powerful platform. Ready to turn your ideas into income? Let's dive in. So, hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you all things that you need to start with System.io as an affiliate. So, first of all, you have just to open your web browser and dive into System.io. So, this is the homepage as you can see have here various information, but before, let's know what is System.io. So first, welcome to System.io, your all-in-one platform designed to empower entrepreneurs and online marketers. Whether you are launching a new product, building an email list, or creating an engaging sales funnel, System.io has everything you need to streamline your processes and boost your success. With user-friendly tools for automation, landing page creation, and affiliate management, you can focus on what truly matters. Growing your businesses, join our community, and start turning your vision into reality today. So here we have System.io is the easiest way for you to create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build websites, manage your affiliates, create online courses, automate your marketings, and that's it. So if you scroll down, you will find how you can become an affiliate. So you click over here, then you find this page which we have here over than $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. Join our affiliate program today, promote our offers, pull your leads into our funnels, and first we have here earned 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or course. Then we have strong affiliate tracking. Your affiliate link is attached to every email we send to referrals. Then we have open and simple rules. There are no conditions to join our affiliate program. Anyone can be an affiliate here. You don't need to be a System.io customer. So here you write your email address and then you click over join and start earning affiliate commissions. And then we have other information here like how to get started as an affiliate. Learn everything about being a successful System.io affiliate. In the first step, we have read our short guide on everything you need to know about System.io. Then the second step, read the info page about how the System.io affiliate program works. Then the third step, check out our branding page to find all the assets you will need to create content about System.io. Then the last step is access our affiliate swipe folder to find loads of promotional resources for all of our offers. Then if we scroll down, we have choose an offer to promote. You have your System.io, a fast and simple marketing tool that has everything you need to launch, grow, and scale your online businesses. Build sales funnels, send emails, create and manage online courses, run affiliate programs, build a website, and automate almost every aspect of your marketing. We have here System.io free plan and earn 60% lifetime recurring commissions. So this is if you want to become an affiliate. This is the dashboard here. And right now I will show you how you can create a product and how you can create a sales funnels. But before, let's click on over upgrade. We have here payment. So we have here 4 packages. The first one is for free. As you can see, you don't have to pay anything. And this is here's characteristic. Then we have the second one and it's startup. You have to pay $27 per month, and then we have the third package which is webinar. You have to pay $47 per month, and the last one is package unlimited. You have to pay $97 per month. So this is his characteristic. Then we have payment getaways here. So about how you can get paid, you can use PayPal, Stripe, Mercado Pago. Do you have Razorpay, Flutterwave, Molly, Paystack, SecurePay, Cash on Delivery? You can choose the one you work with it. So right now I'll show you how you can create a product. So you click over products, then you choose if you want physical products, and then you click over create and you write your name here, your description. You have just to copy it on ChatGPT and paste it here. Then you have SKU, product tags, currency, price, weight, inventory, shipping. Then we have media here. You have just to go to canva.com and download the photo and then upload it here. And about options, you have just to write your option name, your option values. You can also add another option, then you click over save. So this is how you can create products, physical products I mean. Then we have courses also. You can just click over add a new course. Then you write your name here, your domain, your path. Then you choose the one you want here and then you click over save. And this is how you can add a new course. Then we have communities also. You can just click over create and you write your name, your domain name, your path, and you choose between enablers, disabled about automatic post approval. Then you click over save and then you create the products. Then we have here sales funnels. About this one, you have just to click over create and then you write your name, your funnel domain, and then you choose your funnel goal. For example, build an audience, sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar. Then you choose your currency and you click over save. So making money through a system can involve several strategies. For example, on the type of system in question. For instance, if you are looking at the online platform, you might consider affiliate marketing where you can commissions by promoting products or services. Another approach is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks or online courses, leveraging your expertise. Subscription-based models and can also be profitable, allowing you to generate recurring revenue by offering exclusive content or services. Additionally, utilizing advertising on your website or social media can bring in passive income. Ultimately, the key is to identify a system that aligns with your skills and interests while providing value to your audience. So this is how you can get started with system. So earning money through a system requires a strategic approach tailored to your strength and market demand, whether through affiliate marketing, digital product sales, or subscription models. The possibilities are vast. By focusing on providing value and engaging your audience, you can create a sustainable income stream. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your efforts into a successful venture that not only generates revenue but also fulfills your passions. So this is how it works with system and you can just get started. And that's it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful and see you again in the next video.